Okay, here's a video about a little project I just completed where I've made custom blades and cages for these Hamilton Beach little universal motors that were used for a variety of things back in the day, and not the least of which was for sewing machines. And they did provide a fan kit for these, I believe, in the day, and so this is not really out of orders for using these motors as fans. So what I've done now is connected them to two different power sources. This one's a step up, step down converter, which what I've done is there's a switch on the back for input voltage, and I've selected 220 input voltage, and then when I plug it into this socket here, that provides for about 60 volts to this fan. And this one is a Variac, and with this you can have the ability to adjust speeds, and these fans seem to run best at about 60 volts or so, 60 to 70 volts. When you run them at full voltage, they spin so fast, they're really in danger of self-destructing, so I recommend not running these things on 120 volt wall voltage. So with these things, you have the ability to turn them on and off, as well as there's no switch provided for these fans. So that's on straight 60 volts, and this one is on 60 volts. You're putting out a pretty nice breeze at that. But this one has the ability to change the speed, so that's at about 80 volts right there. Right along there. They seem to be most comfortable about 60 to 70 volts. And it also has the ability to turn it off and on with the touch of a button. And this one too. So here we have a couple of custom fans now. Quite nice. They're about 6.5 inches across the blade, and they are done.